If you want to learn how to program, there are so many free resources online, you just gotta open your computer and look for them. My name's Rebecca, and today I'm going to take you down this guide of the best free resources to learn how to code at home, aka what I wish I knew when I first started learning programming. If you have zero knowledge and want to start right now, I would suggest the website FreeCodeCamp.
This website is amazing because of its structured approach, so taking you from the basics to advanced topics, ensuring that you build a solid foundation. They have all of these free verified certification courses like front and back end, data analysis with Python, as well as machine learning and even college algebra with Python. Not to mention their A2 English for developers and a free professional certification course for foundational C# with Microsoft and projects to prepare for a job.
And there are so many other similar websites like Codedex.
This one is such a cute way to learn. It is a very good website, and this one also includes a Git and GitHub short guide, which is extremely helpful if you're just starting. And the cool thing is that you can grow a little pet inside their platform, and they have monthly challenges that you can participate with the community. In Codecademy, it is very similar to FreeCodeCamp, but they have a wide range of programming languages, which is pretty nice, and career advice.
But for both, you're gonna have to pay to continue studying and earn certifications. However, there is a third one that I have recently discovered that is known to be the best of them all, and it is called the Odin Project.
What is the Odin Project? This is the website with which we had when we were learning on our own. We scoured the internet looking for the best resources to supplement your learning and present them in a logical order. So you're gonna learn, build, and connect. And the Odin Project is focused on web development. So you're gonna learn intermediate and advanced HTML and CSS, Ruby, databases, Node.js, JavaScript, React, Ruby on Rails, and getting hired. Pretty complete. I loved it.
I still don't have an opinion on this one because I didn't know it before making this video. But from what I heard, the Odin Project is the best one because of the community, which is great for when you're learning something difficult and you feel like quitting.
I'm learning data structure right now, and I just want to cry.
Which is normal for a developer, but having a community to back you up will be very helpful along your journey. And another very helpful resource is YouTube. It has helped me at the very beginning when I had no clue of what to do and where to start. And some of my favorite channels are FreeCodeCamp.
Not only do they have that amazing website, their YouTube channel, it's like a free school. They bring a lot of different people for their channel. They have so many tutorials. They have even game tutorials, which is pretty cool. By the way, I'm gonna be making one of this, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, FreeCodeCamp is amazing. Honestly, I love them.
And I swear, I'm not being sponsored by them, it's just that they have really helped me. Another channel that I love and has a good sense of humor is Fireship.
As the cover says, this is the getaway drug for developers. They have the most amazing videos. Some of them are really helpful and some of them are gonna be great for when you're stressing out about your code, because you're gonna laugh. Net Ninja, and I quote, is the black belt of your web development skills. They have over 2,000 free programming tutorials about Node, React, Firebase, and many more videos. Despite the meme in every video cover, the Big Box Software Engineer, it's an amazing channel. They have some really helpful videos, and some of them has a good sense of humor, just like Fireship.
But the truth is that to learn how to code, you really just need practice. And for that, you're gonna need your hands on and develop projects. But as a beginner, I know that can be hard, so you can get access to open source projects on GitHub, from which you can learn and even implement changes.
GitHub is a platform used by millions of developers worldwide to collaborate on and share code. But it is also an incredible learning tool because you can study real-world projects there. They host millions of open source projects covering a wide range of languages and technologies, so whether you're interested in web development, machine learning, or mobile app development, you will find projects that suit your interests. The platform allows you to explore trending topics and repositories. Use this feature to find projects to study and contribute to. Then dive into the code of these projects. Don't worry if it looks daunting at first. Start by reading through the README files and then gradually explore the source code. Pay attention to how different features are implemented and how various programming concepts are applied. And once you're comfortable, consider contributing to open source projects. This could be fixing bugs, adding features, or even just improving documentation. GitHub also provides interactive tutorials and courses through its Learning Lab.
And soon, I'm gonna be making a video on the best open source GitHub projects that you can learn from, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. And if your plan is to get a job in tech, you may want to practice LeetCode challenges.
LeetCode is designed to help you improve your coding skills through practice and challenges. It offers a vast array of coding problems ranging from beginner to advanced levels, covering various programming languages and algorithms. These challenges are carefully crafted to test your problem-solving abilities and reinforce key programming concepts. Many of the problems on these platforms are inspired by real-world scenarios, making them highly relevant to industry standards. If you're new to coding or a particular concept, begin with the easy problems. This will help you build a solid foundation and gradually work your way up to more challenging tasks. After attempting a problem, take the time to review and understand different approaches and solutions. The platform offers features to track your progress and performance over time. Use metrics to identify areas for improvement and set goals for yourself as you progress on your coding journey.
There's also Code Wars, that is a similar platform with a lot of challenges to practice and learn. But LeetCodes are used in job interviews, so that one will be even better for you. Let me know in the comments if you know any other ways to improve your coding skills or just learn programming. And if this video was helpful, leave a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.